Hey guys, it is day 2 of our project doing Marino. We're going to do a little bit of crop. We're going to do a glaze for you guys in the dining room. But this is day 2. And I just wanted to show you what we had going on. We got Miss Teresa on the first fireplace in the dining room. So I wanted to definitely show you guys that. All right, so we had Lady T. She came and started on the first fireplace. And all we're doing is adding the next coat, which is a layer of GF here. And I will be documenting and showing the process on the wall, but nice skim coat. And that's going to be our next layer. Remember, this fireplace is going to be black, onyx black, so we're just getting it ready. Oh, go ahead. I'm just taping. We really do a show. We're not really not decorative painters. How is it? Because I just like, Jamal. Hey, we are back. It is day 2 of my project, and I just wanted to show you guys what we had going on. You got questions? Chip brush. Chip brush. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh! So I got the team. We're really moving fast today, so I got the team all on the second fireplace. We're doing onyx marino. So we're gonna get ready to take a break, but all they're doing is literally troweling on a thin coat of marmerino. Well, I tried. But anyway, just stay tuned. All day I'll be logging in and logging out and showing you guys what we're doing throughout the day. Say hi to the camera.
Hello, camera. And I'm ready to go. Okay.
Uh-huh.
You want to go that? I'm gonna
Go wherever you want to go. I'm okay. In your world. opportunities you can get it. Now you might have to. Hey, so I am back and we have done the sitting room first coat of the Grassello, and we're starting on the first coat of the Grassello here. So just a trick, I do one layer of Marmerino GF and I do not wait to the next day. I automatically let it sit up and I let it get a little tacky. I let it get about maybe 65–70% dry, the Marmerino GF. And then once that hits, I go right over it with the black, as you can see here. So we don't wait a full 24 hours. And the reason is this helps it to come together and it helps to float out that GF. And the second coat of, the first coat of Grassello just kind of sinks. Hey guys, sorry, I got cut off. So again, the reason I go ahead and move on is time scheduling. But also, when this GF is damp, the Grassello will just soak right into it and it levels out for a prettier finish. All right, thank you. And I did want to show you guys the finish. That would help. Isn't that gorgeous? And here comes one half of the design team. What? I said here comes one half of the design team. You are.
I'm busy. I'm
Yes.
on call booking more.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Hey everybody, we are closing out on day 2. Did really good today. We did 2 layers on both fireplaces and the accent wall in the sitting room. But yeah, Mr. Girl is finishing everything up. Turned out really nice. Very happy. We probably will end up doing the fireplace. But yeah, as you can see, this is the first coat of the Grassello. The coat under this is the GF that we only let sit and dry for about maybe 2 hours, and then we went right on top. But again, this is going to be really pretty. Thank you, Mr. Darryl.
Welcome.